Hey guys, Glenn and Shane in the Link Lighting Lab today. We're getting Shane up here from the warehouse, teaching him the goods, and he's pretty impressed with a lot of this stuff. This is Corona. They were nice enough to send us this countertop display with some really cool fixtures on it. This has been super popular. This design, modern, great contemporary look, great light. The bullet on a stick, so to speak, is great for niches. If you're trying to get, it's an alternative to a path light, you're trying to get up out of the ground, past bushes or something, this is a great alternative. Shane, you want to tell them a little bit about the step lights?
Sure. Yeah, I've got the backless step light from Corona. They're a solid brass with a bronze finish. They have a 25-foot lead. The smaller one is 5.5 inches in length, and the bigger one is 8 3/4 inches in length. They're both 2.5 inches tall. The smaller one comes 2.5 watt, 250 lumens, and the bigger one is at 5 watt and 450 lumens. All that's back on it is the wire, so you only have to cut one hole, and maybe a couple holes for the screws to go in. But I mean, it's a real nice, solid product.
Guys, these are game changers. You got cement steps or something, or steps where you don't have a whole lot of depth. You don't want to cut that big box for the junction box. Flat panel LED, simple to install. Makes your life a whole lot easier.
Oh yeah.
We got plenty of these in stock. If you're interested in any of these things, we can get them pretty quick. If you want more information, give us a call. Again, Corona, great company, great brand, quality products, and we can get anything that they have. This is just a real small sample of a huge line that they carry. So let us know. And anything else you want to add?
Hey, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, like us on Facebook, and call us first.
I like it. Thanks, guys.